Later, okay? Thank you.
Pepper and her family are watching television.
Open up. Yummy. Open for more food. Yummy. Asha, open. Clean up.
It's delightful. What did you put in?
It's okay. All done. Bubble? Up. Good job. Sit. Sit. Kiddos. Are we ready? It's bin day today. Ari's going to school. Asher's going to school. Hi guys. So I just dropped the kids off and oh, Lord, this thing called motherhood, definitely not easy. Woke up today not feeling up to it, just tired, and because I had a long night last night, doing some work, catching up on some deadlines, and boy oh boy did I still have to get up. My son wouldn't even let me like sleep. As long as he's awake, he's up. So got up, daily stuff, you know, prepping them for school. I have to run back home, catch up on my meeting. I'm just like, gosh, can I just have a break? I mean, look, I hurt my fingers this morning while prepping, and this just no break. Headaches, tired, fatigue, pain, everything. And it's just like, well, no one cares. Kids gotta go to school, kids gotta do what they need to do, kids need their mommy. Times like this, I just talk to God. Okay, so I'm headed back home now. Catch you guys. Let's go home. Doing a sudden love for like hand cutters. I find that especially like making small meals like noodles and stuff, I find that they're quite helpful. I had a smaller one, and they also come in handy when traveling. So if I wanted to cook while traveling, so cool. So I had the smaller one that's just one blade. So I got this 2 blades. This one, ooh, it's got some scraps here, but essentially it's a glass case. And it's so cute. I mean, you guys, anything that is cute gets me. I'm a lover of really cute yet unique stuff. All right. So yeah, I mean, I choose this color just because, ooh, look at that. Yay, so nice. So of course, as a scrapbook journaling girl, got some stickers. Good. I kind of wish they were slightly bigger, but all good. We can make do with this. Here's another sticker. This is more like a lifestyle. This is the car, so you know in between your car where you keep your cups. Yeah. Yeah. This is it. Cute. Mary, eat now. Eat. Now that it's soft is the best time to put it in. Are you ready? So we're gonna use this Pick 1, 2, 3. Pick one. Good job. You like the blue one? Put the pen here. Wait, hold on. Wait. Put the pen in. You're gonna hold it like this, okay? No. Wait. Put your hands. Let me see what you're gonna do. No, this is how to hold it. Put your hands in. Good job. Put your hands in here. Wait. Alright. Put your hands in. A is for apple. Mary, write it. I'll use this one. Use this one if you don't want to write. Use. Alright. A. Draw it. A. Good job. Okay, draw this. Connect. Draw it. Look. Good job. Look. We are drawing. Look, okay, circle A. Look, circle A. Write A. Take. Write A. Hold it this way. Write A. Write it. And put your hands in. That's how you hold. You need to learn how to hold your look. Put your hands. Good job. And then write A. Good job. I draw the line. No, don't do that. Draw the line, Mama. I'm gonna do it, then you do it, okay? Look. 1. Draw it. Not gonna lie, this is the first time actually seeing an oral irrigator. Not that it's the first time, I take that back. First time touching one. And trust my husband, the tech guy in the house, he always wants to try all the new stuff. You might ask, okay, what is this? Well, this is a way to clean your teeth with just water. You see how you use dental floss to clean your teeth? Well, this is a quicker, more efficient way. Even when you go for your dental appointment, they use oral irrigators as well. Well, this is just a handy one, and I love it. It looks so cool. So you can either have strong, normal, soft, pulse. So let's try this out. Switch mode. Okay, let's do this.